Hi, welcome. It's lesson 10. Let's work on some working backwards related problems. Let's go with Andy. Question number 1. Some candies were in a bowl. Sally took half of the candies. Then Tom took half of the candies left in the bowl. After that, Clara took half of the candies, the remaining candies. In the end, there were 6 candies in the bowl. How many candies were in the bowl at the beginning? How do you solve this kind of problem? It's actually a problem about working backwards. So we'll use the model of working backwards. Here we go. So let's say this square represents the candies in the beginning. So in the first, Sally took half of the candies. That means the original candies divided by 2 because Sally took half. Put it here, and then we get a certain amount of candies. So Tom took half of the candies left in the bowl. Another half. So we need to divide this by 2. So we put a T. T represents Tom, and we get the candies here. And then Clara took half of the remaining candies. The same. Divide 2. C means Clara. And we have 6 candies in the end. Okay, so we need to find the original candies. How do we do this? So an unknown number divided by 2 is 6. So what is this unknown number? So that will be 6 times 2. Here we go. And 6 times 2, that will be 12. So the same. Working backwards. An unknown number divided by 2 is 12. What is this unknown number? So we simply just use 12 times 2. We get 24. And then, the same, right? An unknown number divided by 2 is 24. So what is this unknown number? 24 times 2 is 48. And now let's check our answer. So say in the beginning, there is a total number of 48 candies divided by 2. That will be 24. Because Sally took half, and then Tom took half, divided by 2, that's 12. And then Clara took half, divided by 2, that's 6. Bingo! So we are correct. The answer would be 48. So use the model of working backwards to solve the problem. Now let's use the same model to solve another problem. Here we go. Louis has some apples. I love apples. He gives 1 apple to Yuri, and then Tom takes half of the remaining apples from Louis. Half gone. After that, Alex gives 5 apples to Louis. Louis got 5 more. So Louis has 13 apples in the end. We need to find how many apples did Louis have in the beginning. So what is the number, the original number of apples Louis got? So we can use the model of working backwards. We can use maybe a circle to represent the original apples Louis got. And he gives one apple to Yuri. That means we need to subtract 1 from the original apples. So give 1 to Yuri. And then Tom takes half of the remaining apples. So we need to use this. Divide by 2. Tom took half of the remaining apples. And then we get some apples. After that, Alex gives 5 apples to Louis. So we need to add 5 apples. So here we go. Plus 5. Thanks for Alex. Haha, Alex. And then we get 13. 13 apples. So now we try to find the original apples Louis got. So let's use working backwards. So an unknown number plus 5 is 13. So what is this unknown number? So we can simply subtract 5 from 13. So that will be 8. So an unknown number divided by 2. So it's 8. 8 times 2, 16. And then minus 1. So we need to working backwards. Add 1. That will be 17. Is this correct? Let's check our solution. So let's say there are 17 apples in the beginning. Minus 1, 16. Divided by 2, 8. Plus 5, 13. We are correct. Where is it? E. Congratulations if you have the same value. So next time, when you try to solve this kind of problem, remember to use working backwards. Okay, I'm Andy. I hope to see you next time, very soon. Bye.